A few weeks back, we saw gig workers across the country coming out on the streets demanding better pay, job security, and protections. And today, on January 27th, we are witnessing another nationwide protest, this time by bank employees. A massive all India bank strike has been called, affecting public sector banks across the country. So the big question are, why are bank employees on strike? What led to this situation? What exactly are their demands and which banks are affected? So hello, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about today's nationwide strike. But before we move ahead, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Now let's understand why this strike happened. See, most government institutions like the RBI, LIC and stock exchanges follow a 5-day work week. But bank employees still work 6 days. This long pending demand for complete 5-day banking has been a major frustration for years. More than 10 lakh employees under the United Forum of Bank Unions or UFBU, which includes 9 major unions like AIBEA and AIBOC, have now come together to call this 24-hour nationwide strike. The roots of this issue go back to March 2024 when the Indian Banks Association agreed to recommend making all Saturdays holidays. But despite repeated discussions, the government has not approved it yet. Even the January 22nd and 23rd conciliation meetings with the Chief Labour Commissioner brought no clear assurance, after which unions decided to go ahead with the strike. Now coming to their demands. The biggest demand is complete 5-day banking by declaring all Saturdays as holidays, similar to RBI and LIC. To ensure productivity does not suffer, unions have proposed working 40 extra minutes from Monday to Friday. Apart from this, they are also demanding better staffing levels, job security, and reduced outsourcing as employees feel overburdened due to heavy workloads and staff shortages. Now let's look at which banks are affected. The strike has mainly hit public sector banks, including State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Baroda, Canara Bank, Union Bank of India, Bank of India, Indian Overseas Bank. In most of these banks, branch services like cash deposits, withdrawals, check clearance, and loan processings are either shut or severely restricted. However, private banks like HDFC, ICICI, Axis and Kotak are functioning normally. Now, how does this affect customers? Because of the Republic Day holiday, weekend closures and now today's strike, many people are facing nearly 4 consecutive days of branch disruptions. So if you had any urgent branch-related work, it may be delayed. The good news is that UPI, net banking, mobile banking apps and ATMs are functioning normally. So digital banking remains your best option for today. Now looking at the bigger picture, unions say the strike is not against customer, but for improving efficiency, morale and long-term stability of the banking sector. And now the big question is, will the government respond after today's shutdown? UFBU has warned that stronger protests could follow if their demands continue to be ignored. So this is the full story behind today's nationwide bank strike, what led to it, what employees want and how it impacts you. Now you tell us, do you think bank employees deserve a complete 5-day work week? Should the government accept their demands? Share your thoughts in the comments below and thanks for watching Lokmat Times.